what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Chasing Limits. Here we have the Integra Type R. We just put it on jack stands just for the rear, and on this side we just took the wheels off so you guys can see the condition of everything. Needs a good wipe down. And on this other side, let's go back around here. Well, you basically removed everything: the caliper bracket, rotor, and the bearing. So we will be replacing the bearing. So here's the old one, factory one. It is making some slight noise, so we're gonna replace it with this premium one. See how that goes. We got a new hardware kit here for the brake pads and the caliper. Premium pads, ceramic pads. Here we have the rotor. This is coated with this anti-corrosive paint, so we'll see how long that lasts. But again, I decided for the rear just to freshen it all up. I cleaned it up as much as I could in here. And yeah, it does look pretty clean under here. There is no sign of rust, so it's in very good condition, considering. And yeah, we're gonna put everything back together exactly how we removed it. Clean up every single part, freshen everything up. And yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright, so fast forward to today. Here we are. So we got the wheel bearing on. We had to torque this to 134 foot-pounds, I believe. 32 mil nut. We got the rotor on. We got the two set screws, brand new. I did have to drill them out with these drill bits. The old ones, because they were rusted and seized in there. So got them out, put new ones on. I did put anti-seize on all the new hardware. This is the anti-seize that I used right here. And yeah, as you guys can see here, we got new hardware for the caliper bracket, new pads, new pins with the boots, and then we also got this new bracket here inside the caliper. So all that's left to do is put the caliper back on, make sure everything is all good, free flowing, free rotating, and put the dust cap back on here, and that's pretty much it. So to wrap up the video, we installed the caliper, everything went smoothly. We got this dust shield here, which protects the, well, this whole area from dust, debris flying up in here. It's being held on by the 2 mil nuts right here. I don't know if you guys can see, it's pretty dark, but yeah. And we also got the dust cap. I did clean this out. This was pretty heavily corroded, rusted, and what I did was I mixed some vinegar, some dishwashing soap, and I let it sit for, well, overnight basically, and then it came out like this. I just pretty much rinsed it after all the rust was gone. So yeah, that's a good little hack for you guys to do in case you're wondering, want to clean out some parts of rust, etc. That works very well. And yeah, we're pretty much done with the rear. We just got to throw on the wheel and off we go. Stay tuned, we're gonna work on the front next. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy this. If you guys have any questions or comments, link them down below. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.